Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be talking all things decorate with me. I'm so excited. But today's part that I'm going to be doing is just sharing the things that I got and some things that are not going in the bathroom that we're redoing. Sorry if if I sound a little snuffly, like snuffly, snuffleupagus. We were out yesterday while Cody was cutting the grass, and I've also said in another vlog that I think I might be allergic to grass or something. I don't know. In that clean and decorate with me that I did most recently, I shared with you some ideas of things that I wanted to do in our bathroom. Let's start with Hobby Lobby. So these pieces here, I got 3 things when I was at Hobby Lobby, and they had they put spring stuff on sale. I don't know when they did, but I probably missed like the bulk of it, but I still got some stuff. These had originally been $60 and $50, so I have the medium size. They had a small one and I was super close to getting it, but I was like, really, what would you put in now? You're really only in your mind going to buy it because it's a set, but I left the smallest one there. And these were 75% off. All the spring stuff was, so this ended up being $15 and $12.50. The other thing that I got at Hobby Lobby was a wooden rocking horse, and if you've been looking for one, I would highly recommend checking out Hobby Lobby because these were originally $200, so 75% off made them $50. And I just imagine us being able to use this with multiple kids and possibly giving it to Mila to give to her kids one day. So I got it. Okay. I got it. Now, moving on to home goods. This is where all my creative juices just sort of ran. And I haven't had that happen in a long time because, you know, quarantine. My original plan was to do colorful curtains in the bathroom and then do everything else just muted tones, but it would still be pulling off from the curtain. So I looked at the curtains. They had absolutely nothing as far as colorful, like, you know, sort of bohemian something, anything kind of curtain. They didn't have nothing. I seen this rug, and this is what just sparked everything for this bathroom. I'm obsessed. Has the colors of the bathroom plus more. But I also feel like that pink curtain was just too girly, and that's why I kept shying away from it, because I've always tried to make sure that I take my husband's you know, opinions and his design, you know, in consideration when I'm picking out stuff. He's not against pink, but we share this bathroom and it's not one of his favorites, you know, so why would I make him wash and do all the things in a super feminine bathroom? I just didn't feel comfortable with doing that. Now granted, there is pink in this rug, but it's like tiny little birds. So this is where all that started, and this was 24 bucks, which was not bad. My only fear is that it's not long enough. If it's not long enough, what I will do is I will then go and buy another rug, like online, like a 2x10. 2x10 might work, 2x8, I don't know. I have to go in there and measure for sure. I can always put that somewhere, because I just love that rug. That's what sparks everything else for me. So here are the curtains that I went with, and they're pulling off like super light on camera, but they are definitely more of that oatmeal. I almost have like a heathered, there's like a darker, I wish you could like really see it. It's a lot lighter on camera, but it matches the light color behind it. Super great. 2, and they're the 84-inch that I needed. It says they're extra wide, which is great. I mean, not that it matters, but these are linen. So unlike the really heavy black ones that are in there now, theirs are like room darkening curtains that are in there. That's just because I had them and I wanted to put them up. This will just make the room feel a lot lighter and not so like in your face like those black curtains. Moving on along with that beigey theme, here's the rug that's going to go there at the shower. I wish they would have had a smaller one for the toilet, but they didn't. So I still have to get that, but it's okay because that door closes, so you ain't even, that's an afterthought. These 2 curtain panels were $19.99, which is great because the pink ones were $19.99 a piece. So I would have ended up paying 40 bucks for those pink curtains, and I possibly couldn't have used them in a new house later on, just because, you know, they were like super specific. Those I can put in a multitude of places. And this was $9.99, which I didn't think was bad either. On that towel rack, I got these, which I thought were great because they have that beigey color. Once again, they're pulling off super light compared to what they are in actual real life. But they're that same sandy khaki color, with a little bit of white. Last thing that I got at Home Goods, we needed another curtain in our guest bath, and I just literally wanted something super simple and the cheapest one they had. So I went with this one, and it has almost like that waffle sort of print. And it looks a lot wider on here. I don't know why the camera is pulling. I think it must be the light that's coming in, but it's creamier. I specifically picked the creamier one and not the bright white. So our guest bathroom is very like spa-like, super neutral. There's some eucalyptus in there, some copper tones, and and that's pretty much it. White, that's it. So I got this super plain. That one's got like some kind of stain or something on it, and I was like, you know what? I've had that up there for years, so it's time to get a new one. And that one was only $14.99, which the cheapest one I found that was decent looking on Target was $14.99. So same thing, and I don't have to wait for it to come in. Getting started here in the bathroom, I'm going to take everything out and off that is not staying, and I'm pretty much just clearing the counter so I can give everything a good cleaning, and the shower, because OMG. Going to get that started first, and then we'll do all the fun decorating after everything has been wiped down and cleaned.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me?
little tip. Use a mop to clean your shower. Not the one you use to clean your floors. Just an extra mop.
Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Ooh, it is up to you what we will be. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna know where you wanna go. I don't wanna be stuck in the middle. I just wanna know what's to come. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? Yeah, I just wanna be right next to you. But in the middle, right in between. I want to. Stuck in the middle, what can I do? I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in the middle, right in between. Right in between. It is up to you what we will be. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna be right next to you. Right next to you. Right in between. Right in between. It is up to you what we will be. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in the middle with you. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay, so definitely not long enough. I would love for it, which I don't even think the other one was long enough, but I would love for it to go all the way in line with the cabinets because it's kind of like pointless. So I have it centered right now. But just seeing it in here just solidifies everything that my mind was thinking. Is absolutely perfect, like color wise, theme wise, So now I just need to find one that's a little bit bigger. But for now, I'll leave it in here, and then I will move it somewhere. I don't know. I don't want to get rid of it. It's so pretty.
Until you came, I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, then my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you. Next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine.